Managing multiple business applications can feel like a never-ending juggling act. But what if you could automate tedious tasks and free yourself to focus on what truly matters? Introducing KrispCall and Integrately integration. This dynamic duo simplifies your workflow and boosts your productivity. So, let's integrate KrispCall with Integrately in minutes. Simply, go to your KrispCall workspace and navigate to Setting and then go to Integration. From the list of available integrations, select Connect on Integrately. It'll redirect you to the KrispCall integration page. Choose one of the apps you want to automate with KrispCall. For example, select Google Sheet. Once you select the app, Integrately will display available triggers and actions for KrispCall. Suppose I have selected to create Google Sheets row for new KrispCall contacts. If you're already logged into your Integrately account, it will ask you to enter the API key, get the API key from the KrispCall app, paste it, and continue. After that, sign into your Google Sheets and grant permissions. Select the desired sheet and run the test, and your integration is complete. Activate the trigger for future use.
Voila! Your integration is complete.
Integrately acts as a bridge between KrispCall and your favorite apps, allowing you to create custom automation without any coding. Be it automatically add new leads from KrispCall calls to your CRM, saving you valuable time. Getting notified about voicemails through your preferred apps. Or streamline workflows, free yourself from repetitive tasks, and focus on strategic growth. Integrate KrispCall with Integrately today. Contact our chat support for more information.